So I apparently stopped my video. We picked back up on it. I may do different parts. So many people on YouTube don't have any patience anymore. They want a 15-second TikTok. And they'll watch 100 of those. But this is for the people that take time to like this stuff. So this is not a TikTok helicopter. Here we go, fire in the hole. We're gonna back up a little bit. Give it proper respect. This hasn't run in 7 months. It's been set up, cranked right up, well taken care of. Piece of history here, guys. It's well worth a watch. The good thing about this one, I don't have to zoom it much. It's so big. Well, I mean, I know there's bigger ones, but hey, I got a little, my biggest one's a Blade 230 from Spectrum, E-Flight, so this is big.
You ready?
I'm ready, man. This will be a scale flight, tail end. This is the way you start out learning. Of course, this is a very experienced pilot. If you can appreciate Nitro helicopters, you'll appreciate this video. You got a really pretty good camera too, so. Got to make a little adjustment. He's doing his voodoo. Nitro airplane, Nitro helicopter pilots and Nitro engines have to use voodoo on their equipment. And so that's an old voodoo that goes way back to the voodoo days in New Orleans of how to bless your helicopter. I don't have a clue what this guy's doing. It's a secret. You have to be in the club. I'm in the Blade E-Flight Spectrum Club, so I can't be in the Nitro Club, although I try. They just let me run the camera. Here we go. Fine tuning. This is fine tuning. I love that smoke and that smell. You got that castor oil in there. It's a good smell for you Nitro guys. This is about a 30-year-old helicopter. In reality, it's a 40 or 50-year-old technology from the 80s. Doesn't have any stabilization of any kind. You have to know what you're doing. If anybody flies about stabilization, you understand. I just think it's the coolest thing that runs off an engine. I've always loved engines. This hadn't been run, but let's see, March, about 7 months ago. So when you have something set up, and even though it's been well maintained and oiled, and you got to warm it up, you got to check everything, make sure there's no excessive vibrations, make sure the clutch is kicking in like you like, make sure your head and everything else is running right. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Hey, this is a lot different than my Blade 150 helicopter electric taking off. Alright, just spun her around. It's facing us now. Going up a little bit. There he goes. This guy's a scale pilot. Damn, that's close. I mean, it's like 25 foot over my head. In front of me, it's not directly over me, but here we go. Look here. Flying that baby around now. Woo-wee. Told you he was gonna fly it. I can keep up with it pretty good too. I got it zoomed in a little bit. It's about all my zoom. It's going across the field. He's done a turn, coming back to the left. It's pretty much parallel to us right now. Now he's making a right turn, getting it left rudder. Now he's flying straight at himself, straight square with us. He's just kind of hovering it, doing a little bit of a tail back, tail up. Woo! To zoom back on that one, that was a flyby there, pretty fast too actually. It's kind of hard to have perspective when you're up in the sky. He flies a lot of scale. Some of his helicopters he'll do. But this is a valuable helicopter as far as the heredity of it, the technology. So it's pretty much scale. You run her through her paces. You don't want to do anything squirrely. He did some speed runs. Really good. He's got good control. This has no stabilization, guys. This is a real helicopter pilot. Nothing to help him fly this thing. I believe they have some type of something in them, surely, but I don't know exactly on that. All I know is it's amazing. It's got to pet it again. Just like your dog. You always have to pet your dog, your cat. You can tell it did a good job. That's also the slow down voodoo to adjust it, tweak it up, do all their secret magic that they do. That's why I never learned glow or nitro. Nobody ever showed me the voodoo. I'm happy with electric. Here we go. Uh-oh. She's winding down. Went dead. Okay, that's the end of this video. Otagoville, Alabama, October the 5th, 2024, with a 1980s technology helicopter that's about 40 years old in reality now. You guys take care.